Hello, good morning, students. I hope everybody is fine and doing well at home. So, today we will discuss about the bases. Okay, so bases are the substance which are bitter in taste that already we had discussed, but along with that, what more properties it will have, we will discuss about this. So, characteristics. Bases are bitter in taste, just opposite to the acid. Acids are sour in taste, bitter in taste. They are slippery to touch or soapy feel on fingers. Many bases reacts with acid and precipitates salt. Means the bases reacts with acid to form salt and water. Strong bases may react voluntarily with acids. So they react very fast with the acid. Bases turn red litmus paper blue and pH of the bases is always more than 7. So as we move from 7 to 40, the bases will become more strong. Types of bases, mainly two types: strong bases and weak bases. As we know that whenever the bases dissolve in water, it forms alkali and start disassociating and releasing OH ions in the water. So the base which will release more OH ion and disassociates completely is termed as strong base. Example: KOH, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, etc. So these bases completely disassociate in water when get dissolved. So it forms alkali also. So the bases which get dissolved in water is also termed as alkali. Weak bases, there is incomplete disassociation when in water. So this type of bases are termed as weak bases because they do not dissolve, they do not disassociate completely when dissolving water. So examples are ammonium, ammonia, zinc hydroxide, etc. Now the uses of bases. A lots of use. Sodium hydroxide is used in manufacture of soap, paper and synthetic fiber rayon. Calcium hydroxide, also known as the slaked lime, is used in manufacture of bleaching powder. So it is also used in the field if the soil has become more acidic. Calcium hydroxide is also used to clean sulfur dioxide, which is caused by the exhaust that is found in the power plants and factories. Many other uses of bases are also for making the different types of substance. Now, neutralization reaction. Whenever acid and base react together, it forms salt and water. So salt and water is formed. Now the neutralization reaction depends on if a strong acid reacts with a weak base, then a acidic salt is formed. If a strong base reacts with the do reaction with the weak strong weak acid reacts with the strong base, then the basic salt is formed. So here what happens, the salt and water is formed. So the hydrogen ions and hydroxyl ions are combining together and they are forming the water. So students, let it be this much for today. In the next class we will discuss about the equation also.